guys, welcome back once again to my channel. Today we are in Ewura's bakery. So as you can see, these are the ingredients we're going to use for our baking today. All right, so first off, we had to measure the ingredients, so everything was literally measured. And as you saw, this is our butter, and then we're using 2 pounds of butter right here. And at the moment I'm creaming the butter so it becomes really soft, not too soft, like really soft, so we can add in our other ingredients. So first off, we are creaming the butter, and now as you can see, we are adding sugar, and then we are going to cream the sugar as well, mixed with the butter, so we could also get like all the chunks and the sugar to just melt. We're not going to get them to like melt like completely, because that's going to take like 3 years. So yeah, we're going to just allow the sugar melt a bit, and then we can move on. If you are new to this channel, please, this is Life of Ewura, but today we are in the kitchen. We are in my bakery. Yeah, so as you can see, so far the butter has completely melted, and then our sugar is also settled in, so we are moving on. Here we add our eggs. As you saw from the beginning, there were 4 eggs, so we are adding all the 4 eggs into our mixture. This is just our margarine and our sugar. So we, after cracking all the eggs into it, we are also going to mix it with our hand machine so that it will all settle in. But then this one, you don't have to like mix it for so long. I didn't mix it for so long because I wouldn't want my margarine to tear, like, so my cake will become nasty. So you just mix it for a while, and then after that we add our milk. So I used 1 tin of milk. As you saw, I used the less cholesterol milk, so I used 1 tin of that milk, and then we mixed. So we are not mixing, we are creaming. Yes, that's the word I was looking for. So we creamed, and then now the next step is to add our we are adding our dry ingredients. So what you can see here is our soft flour, and then I added the baking powder. That's like a teaspoon of the baking powder, and now I'm adding a teaspoon of nutmeg as well, and then we are going to mix this together. I didn't pour this inside the margarine to mix. I separated them so that we can get the other ingredients that we are adding to the soft flour to mix properly. So here it's completely mixed, and then I take 4 tablespoons into my margarine mix, and I just cream. So as I'm creaming, I'm writing the number 8. That's what my teacher taught me. So I keep writing the number 8 to cream. It gets harder, it gets like really thick as it goes on. So that's why I use 1 tablespoon, just 4 of that every time, so it makes it easy for me. But then along the line, it still gets hard. So after that, I'm done, and then I'm adding my essence. So this is like, this thing smelled like gum, seriously, and I don't know, it's just nice. So that's like a mixed fruit essence, so I added that, and then I still do my 8, but right now I'm done creaming. And then as you can see, this is looking yummy already. Please subscribe to my channel. Like, this is the end product so far. Yo, subscribe to my channel. Let's open a bakery together. So right now I'm putting, okay, my uncle is putting them in the oven at the moment, and then this is the outcome, bro. Subscribe. I'll see you next time, and it's bye for now. Oh, this cake slapped. I made donuts, but then I forgot to record it because it was too nice, so I ate it. I'll see you guys. Bye.